Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a photo collage on Facebook in 2025. This is a fun way to share multiple pictures together in one post. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in. On your home screen, tap what's on your mind. To start creating a new post now, instead of just choosing one photo, tap on Photo, Video, and then select multiple pictures from your gallery. Facebook will automatically arrange them into a collage-style layout in your post preview from here. You can reorder the photos by dragging them around, and depending on your device. Facebook may offer different layout styles to choose from. This way, you can adjust how your collage looks before posting. Next, add your caption, tags, or location if you'd like. Once you're happy with everything, just hit post, and your collage will be shared with your friends or followers. And that's it. That's how you create a photo collage on Facebook in 2025, using the built-in post feature. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.